Hello all, in this video we will discuss the question answers for the chapter Nanna Devaru for class 2. So this is the first exercise. ಕೇಳಿದ ಪದಗಳು, heard words. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿರಿ. ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿ means read, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ means loud. So read aloud. So let's see the words. Nitya. Nitya means every day. Surya, sun. Bellaku, light. Tare, star. Belli, silver. Benki, fire. Hulke, meteor. Gali, air. Gagana, sky. Neeru, water. So let's read again. Nitya, Surya, Bellaku, Tare, Belli, Benki, Hulke, Gali, Gagana, Neeru. Hasiru, green. Hoddu, where. Bhumi, earth. Gudda betta. Gudda betta means hill, mountain. Okay. Raita, farmer. Kadu medu. Kadu medu means forest, hill. Hole. Hole means stream or river. Okay. Hola. Hola means field where the farmers work. Field. Bevaru. Bevaru means sweat. Hita. Hita means welfare or beneficial or promotes benefits to. Okay. Hita means welfare or promoting benefits or beneficial. Okay. Desha, country. Shramisu. Shramisu means to put effort into or to struggle or to try. Okay. Yodha, soldier. Vidye. Vidye means knowledge. Okay. So let's read it aloud again. Hasiru, hoddu. Bhumi, gudda betta. Raita, kadu medu. Hole, hola. Bevaru, hita. Desha, shramisu, yodha, vidye. So you have to be familiar with all these new words and also make sure that you learn by writing also, pronounce it correctly and then try to write without any mistakes, which will be helpful for you to do the fill in the blanks related to the chapter and also for the question and answer section. Padagala artha. Padagalu means words. Artha meaning. The meaning. Okay. So the meaning of the words. First, Nitya. Nitya means Pratidina, Yavagalu. So Nitya means Pratidina, Yavagalu, which means every day. Prati means every. Pratidina, every day. Dina means day. Yavagalu, every day. Okay. Tare, nakshatra, chukke. Okay. So the other nakshatra chukke also means tare. Gagana, akasha, sky. Ulke, akashakaya or meteor. Okay. Nitya, pratidina, yavagalu, which means every day. Tare, nakshatra, chukke, which means star. Gagana, akasha, which means sky. Ulke, akashakaya, which means meteor. So next section is ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಒಂದು means one. ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ sentence. ಉತ್ತರ answer. ಹೇಳಿರಿ say. Okay. So say answer in one sentence. First, ನಮಗೆ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಯಾರು? ನಮಗೆ. us. ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಗಲು means day. Okay. ಬೆಳಕು light. ಕೊಡುವವನು. ಕೊಡುವವನು means gives. ಯಾರು? who. So who gives us light during the day as per the poet? Yes. ನಮಗೆ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಸೂರ್ಯ. Okay, the sun gives us light during the day. So you have to write it in a sentence. Fine. ನಮಗೆ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಯಾರು? ನಮಗೆ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಸೂರ್ಯ. You just have to copy the same thing from the question and add the answer as Surya. Okay, that's how you write in a full sentence. Second question, ರೈತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ, where, ರೈತ farmer, ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ works. Where does a farmer work? ರೈತ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೊಲ means farm or field. Okay, so ರೈತ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. He works in a farm. Question 3, ಯೋಧ ಏತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? So Yoda soldier, ಏತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ for what? ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ means, ಶ್ರಮಿಸು means to try or to strive for that. Okay, so what is the soldier striving for or struggling for or trying for? Okay, so Yoda ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. The soldier is striving or struggling for the country. Desha means country. Deshakagi means for the country. Correct? So Yoda ಏತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? Yoda ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So next is ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. That means that ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ means for the questions. one ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ sentence, ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ means write. So write the answer in one sentence. The first question, ರಾತ್ರಿ ವೇಳೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಯಾರು? ರಾತ್ರಿ means night, ವೇಳೆ time, the night time, ಬೆಳಕು light, ಕೊಡುವವನು who gives, ಯಾರು, who. So who gives light at night? ರಾತ್ರಿ ವೇಳೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕೊಡುವವನು ಚಂದ್ರ. Okay, so the moon gives light at night. Question 2, ಭೂಮಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ? ನಿಂತಿದೆ standing, ಹೊದ್ದು covering or wearing. ಏನನ್ನು with what? ಭೂಮಿ earth. What is the earth covered with? ಭೂಮಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ? ಭೂಮಿ ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ. The earth is covered or wearing greenery. Okay, ಭೂಮಿ ಹಸಿರನ್ನು, ಹಸಿರು means green, right? So ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಭೂಮಿ ಏನನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ? ಭೂಮಿ ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊದ್ದು ನಿಂತಿದೆ. Question 3, ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಯಾರು ಹಿತವ ನುಡಿವರು? ವಿದ್ಯೆ knowledge, ಕಲಿಸಿ teaching, ಯಾರು, who. ಹಿತವ ನುಡಿಯವರು means speaking good words. Okay, so who will teach us knowledge and speak good words to us? ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಗುರುಗಳು ಹಿತವ ನುಡಿವರು. So teachers will teach us knowledge and speak good words. Next is ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಾದ ಪದ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಾದ means just they are asking us to write the odd one out. Okay, ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಾದ, which doesn't match the ಸೇರಾದ, does not match. ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ means group. ಪದ word, ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Please write it. Okay, so the first is Surya, Chandra, Gudda, Nakshatra. So Surya, Chandra and Nakshatra is all related, right? Gudda, hill, it is not related to the group. So just write Gudda in the blank space. Second, Belaku, Gali, Neeru, Raita. Belaku, Gali, Neeru is all related to a group. Raita is the odd one out among them. So write Raita, word Raita in the blank. Next is Madariyante pada bari. Pada word, bari write. Madariyante, Madari means example. So just like example given, write the words in the blanks. So what is the example given here is Betta, Gudda. Betta, hill, Gudda, mountain. Okay. Tande, Thai. Tande, father, Thai, mother. Kadu, Medu. Okay. Kadu, Medu means Kadu is forest. Medu, plateau. Okay. Bandhu, Balaga. Bandhu, relatives. Balaga means also relatives or kins. Okay. So, Bandhu, Balaga. So, these are the from the poem also. Betta, Gudda, Tande, Thai, Kadu, Medu, Bandhu, Balaga. So, just write it down in the blank space provided. With this, we have completed the discussion of exercises related to the chapter Nanna Devaru from Savi Kannada textbook. There is a passage given and also a few questions related to the passage. Do let me know in the comment section if you would like to explain that in English too. And happy learning. Do like, share our channel. Thank you.